Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, body color door handles, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.